But if I say you are a bus, you don't believe you're
Mm.
human. But if I say you are an
Mhm.
idiot, we take so at that. I think somewhere that pointer where we say is you get attached to some words which are going to hurt you, and that's been predefined by the way we've been brought up. Now if I say an idiot, that means somebody is telling you you are an idiot, and we go get fixed to it,
Mm.
right? So that's where I think something has to. Now if you say your hair is green, you will not believe it. Say I no, I am not, my hair is not green, my hair is black. What are you talking about? So we go and defend ourselves. But when you say this, we don't defend ourselves. That's the point that I think one of the pointers that we should
Yeah.
learn, that we do. Now, coming to that point, in boardrooms and high stake
Hmm.
meetings, have you ever faced a resistance that your to your voice, and how did you navigate it? And is there any lessons that we can take from it?
Multiple times during my professional life, my corporate journey, rather I would say all throughout. So there's a difference between, oh, I'm able to speak and I can speak well, and authentic expression. I feel these are two different things, right? So I throughout my school, my the college, post graduation, my corporate days, I've been vocal, I've been on stage, I've been at, debates. I was the head girl of my school. So when I tell somebody that I was not expressing myself authentically, they're like, are you mad? What are you saying, Asta? We know you've been there, you've always been on the stage, we would look up to you. I know that that wasn't my authentic self, that was just putting up all the masks and everything. So this difference between, I'm able to speak, command over language, how well I speak, the skill set, the modulations, all that is the skill part of it. But expression, authentic expression, comes from a deeper place, which is within. So if, and the same thing, because the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So whatever I was dealing with in school, in college, everything, I carried it to my corporate life as well and forward as well.